this going, babe.
Huh?
I can't have music going.
No! Why?
It's gonna give me copyright.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Welcome back to another video, you guys. We're about to just run some errands today. So I figured, why not bring you guys along? I have my beautiful girlfriend here with me, Ashley. Hi. Hi. So we're just gonna go run some errands and then probably find some topics to talk about along the way. Warmed up the car a little bit, so you guys don't have to worry about that. It is a little cold though, because it's only 60 degrees outside, which is a very harsh California winter. We might survive, I don't know. And as you can tell, the weather is pretty poor. Yeah, no, it's fully sunny outside. So we're gonna, oh geez. Oh man, I should have ripped it. What? The airplane.
Whoa.
So the crop duster's back out here. I made a video on that the other day, like actually last week. Dude, he's out here rolling stunts.
Did that seem really low to you?
Yeah, they're crop dusters. They get super low and then just like dust the field with well, pesticide basically.
You know, that's not the first thing I think of when...
Crop dusting? I know, well that's what it's meant for, because you'll see like the dusty stuff coming on out of it.
Damn!
Woo!
Holy crap!
Dude, that's sick.
He's on the freeway.
Is he? He's revving onto the freeway? I think we're about to have a slowdown on the freeway because everyone's going to be looking for it. Oh, can't see that car. I'm just trying to watch this crop duster. That's crazy because I literally just filmed him like last week on the way to John's shop. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Yeah, where did he go? He probably face planted into the dirt somewhere.
Don't say that.
I don't hope
there he is.
But he was so low.
He's just having to get super... Had to beat a semi-truck. I gave him the little flashers as a thank you.
Oh, it's yellow.
So that is the same one, yeah. So he's just in charge of all these fields over here. That's pretty cool. Oh, he's coming like right at us. Huh, that's pretty awesome. Sick. I'm gonna try to get that, but I also gotta turn my head. Oh, he's gonna do it right next to us. Wow. See how it has the stuff coming out?
Yeah. It's so little.
Yeah, it's like a little stunt plane, basically. So you guys may have seen in the last video, I had a stunt driver that raced Alex's car with a stunt driver. And yeah, as you guys can tell, there were maybe some people that did not think that that was gonna happen. Lots of haters on my side, or lots of haters towards me, because everybody thought, oh, you're gonna get gapped by the Cobra, oh, it's a Terminator, you're not gonna stand a chance. And my car is just NA, I'm not spraying. I mean, you guys know that. You guys have seen the mods I've done on this car. And trust me, if I had nitrous, I would have made a video on it on the install. A lot of people were kind of up in arms about that through my DMs. Like, they messaged me and like, how did you beat him? How are you holding your gear so long? I was like, did you guys not pay attention? I have the Boss 302 and I have the MGW with a nice clutch. And right there is like a really good package for coyotes. And I'm not even pushing with the Cobra jet or anything, because here's like the stock manifold, Boss 302, Cobra jet. So it's pretty high up there. The stunt drivers absolutely killed it, and it was a fun thing to watch and to witness. But yeah, there's a lot of people that were upset about that, but I can't hate on the boy Alex because he's only, what, 17 or 18 now, and he owns a Terminator in high school, and he makes YouTube videos, and he just hit 80,000 subscribers. You cannot hate on somebody for having more success than you, and right now he is a lot more successful than I was at his age. So for that, good on you, dude, because I really want to see you like take over. I want to see you get a lot more views, a lot more subscribers, and hopefully maybe even see you in an S197. So there's no hate towards that. This was kind of just a friendly grudge match, and we let the stunt drivers do all the talking. Something that has been really on my radar as a goal, I know I said 2020 I wanted a Raptor, but maybe, I mean, if we go all out and go crazy, maybe we could do Raptor and GT500, because that new GT500 has a soft spot in my heart. I've seen Lund's personal GT500, John Lund. His is pushing like 900 wheel horsepower with literally like 3 simple mods. I think it's on E85, catless exhaust, and a smaller pulley, and obviously the tune. So the fact that you're getting 1,000 horsepower, over 1,000 crank horsepower out of a car nowadays, that you can just go down to the dealer. Hopefully you're not paying anything over that actual MSRP, because dealer markup is absolutely stupid. That should never exist. Never pay a dealer markup on any car. But those GT500s are so capable, and all they are just a couple bolt-ons and bam, literally over 1,000 horsepower. And so far, people that have taken apart the Predator motors, which is the motor that's in those GT500s, they say it's really capable of holding like 1,300 wheel horsepower all day. So the fact that those GT500s are kind of like the Gen 2 of the Terminators, I mean, whew, they're so underutilized, and Ford overbuilt them. And so that really just makes it such a good platform, and I'd love to own one, but there's people that are, it's a $70,000 car, $75,000 car. There's people that are literally buying them for 100 grand. $25,000 just poof gone, that no one ever will repay, because they're gonna keep making them. They're not gonna just make 100 of them. That would maybe make sense if there was literally a limited number of them, but all these people that are charging insane markups, they should just be gone. Like, there's no way. I can't believe people are paying those. Oh, got a 6th gen right here. What is this, a ZL1? Oh yeah, it's a ZL1. Hey, I actually can't lie. I like the ZL1s.
I don't. I think Camaros look ugly, but I don't care how fast they are. If it's not cute,
it is the GT500 of Camaros. I kind of want to hear it. See if you can hear the supercharger. Go. Do it. Can't hear anything. I would love to get one, but man, right now, 75,000. I'm not gonna act like I'm a baller and I can afford that and act like it's no big deal. 75 grand to me right this second. I mean, in the future, I want that to be no big deal. But right now, whew, that's a lot of money. But in the future, I want to own cars that are like 300,000. So this will be like, oh, what a deal. It's gonna be a Toyota Camry in the price of a Mustang. But we're about to run in here, get a couple of ideas for some stuff in the future, and then I'll catch up with you guys as soon as we hit back on the freeway. And we'll have to stunt on these Challengers right here. Oh, there's a wide body, 392. We're still gonna stunt on them because we'll air out. Babe, you gotta air us out.
I haven't done it in a long time. It's double click the bottom one, right?
Double click and then hold on the second click. So like ding, ding. You just broke it.
No, I didn't. It's just squeaky.
Yeah, it's squeaky because the tires are tucking.
I don't have to hold it until it hits you.
No, you're good. Once it's already doing it, you're good.
I haven't done it, so I haven't done this since like summer.
You nailed it.
Nailed it. 2
Boom.
buttons.
All right, catch up with you guys in a sec. Just gonna give her quick beans after our quick trip. Lots of traffic. And of course, this guy thought he was gonna pass everybody. So he comes into the merge lane. Yeah, that's not happening. I'm not pulling that move. And look, he couldn't even make it either. People, man, people. Guy I know here local might be picking one up. So we've been kind of playing with it. We might have some content coming for a new GT500. Gonna have to kind of play that by ear because he's currently waiting for his. The dealership he got it from got one, but that one's already accounted for. So waiting for his, it might be on the truck. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm not gonna promise you guys, oh, by this certain date, we're gonna have GT500 content. But I would love to see one in person, at least ride in it, and just show you guys some of that content because Speed Phenom, he has one and that thing looks so fun. But I think all the base models are coming out first, and then the track packs and stuff like that will start to roll out a little bit later. Downshifts, baby. I should teach you how to downshift for a video.
I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. It's easy.
I'm scared.
Once you do that, you can handle any car.
I know, but like it's like when I first started, I don't know. There's mixed opinions about that for me because my mom, when she was trying to teach me how to drive stick, could not teach me.
But you've driven this car before. She drives this car all the time.
I know. And then like my papa was just like, get in. And I was like, okay. So he's gone in his Suzuki and started doing it. So you
handle this car though.
I know, but it still makes me nervous when I drive it because I'm like so little. And
you really only get nervous when I'm in the car with you. If I just handed you the keys,
it's fine.
If I was like, here, go run some errands, which you've done before.
I know.
Yeah.
And I don't really know why.
You just get nervous.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's really hard to hurt this car with the way you drive. Like it's not gonna, you're not banging it off a rev limiter or trying to bang gears. Like you're just driving around town.
That's true. And I'm like a slow shifter too with like the pedals. I'm not trying to like do
whoa, what are you trying?
Fast and Furious this thing.
Fast and Furious, babe. Fast and Furious. But yeah, maybe we'll show her how to do some downshifts and rev matching because that's really the only thing, that's the only hole in her bucket as far as how to drive this car. She just needs to learn how to do the downshifts like that, and then boom, she would have all that taken care of. She could get into the power band a lot faster and it'd be nice and smooth. So if you guys want to see that, leave a comment down below. if you want to see Ashley learn how to do some downshifts.
Might break your car. You might
No, you will not break my car. I think I'm gonna pretty much wrap it up right here. Keep it short and sweet for this video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.